Hey there, home cooks! Looking to make healthier meals in 2025? Let's dive into the top 5 air fryers that'll change your kitchen game. First up, we've got the Foodi 6-in-1 DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer. This bad boy has dual independent cooking zones, perfect for cooking 2 different dishes at once without mixing flavors. With an 8-quart capacity and 6 cooking functions like air fry, roast, and bake, it's ideal for busy families. Plus, the Smart Finish feature synchronizes cooking, because who has time to babysit dinner? Next on the list, the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL with smart sensing technology. Philips brings their A-game with a 7-quart capacity and smart sensing tech that adjusts time and temp for perfect results. Oh, and did I mention the fat removal technology? It's all about healthier meals with minimal oil. Third, we have the COSORI Pro 2 Air Fryer Oven Combo. This 5.8-quart air fryer offers 13 cooking presets, making it super versatile. Plus, it comes with a recipe app featuring over 100 healthy recipes. That's right, you'll never run out of meal ideas. Moving on to the Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 air fryer. If you're on a budget but don't want to skimp on features, this one's for you. With a 6-quart capacity and 6 cooking functions like air fry, roast, and even rotisserie, it's a steal. The clear cook window lets you monitor your food without opening the basket. Genius, right? Last but not least, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This high-end model combines air frying with convection oven capabilities. With 10 cooking functions and an Element IQ system for precise temperature control, it's perfect for gourmet cooking. Plus, it comes with all the accessories you'll need: a pizza pan, air fry basket, and wire rack. So how do you choose the best air fryer for your needs? Consider the capacity: 3, 4 quarts for individuals, 6, 8 quarts for families. Look for versatility in cooking functions, ease of cleaning, and smart features like presets and app connectivity. Air fryers are a fantastic investment for healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Click the links below to check out these air fryers on Amazon and find the perfect one for you. Until next time, happy cooking!